I give out some uniform and backpack and some treats and things. Backpacks, I got khaki. Good to go. Gwan Squadron. It's ridiculous. I can't. Jesus Christ, I can't even hear myself think over the rattling. I imagine if I was in another car, not this lovely, comfortable tank. Guys, today is a special video. We're going to go check Miguel, our editor. Big up Miguel, big up Top Lodge, Gwan Squad, that is it. We have some surprises. So, in this box right here, we have school bags and school uniforms to give away to kids in Miguel's area. He just showed me, I was like, yo, I love what you're doing with the hurricane relief. I mean, he edits all the videos, so he sees all the footage first, and before everybody else, he sees a lot of footage the rest of you don't see. And we just came to the conclusion he wants to get involved and give back to his community. So we reach out to some people. Bam! Uniforms and bags. We can give some students in need, and then have a surprise for Miguel. He's a real countryman. And so I have a much more respect for him and what he does, because there's not a lot of, I'd say, opportunity to learn what he does in these places. So I'm really impressed. He gets better and better every day. He's still a young youth. His own channel is going in, has some really cool videos. Has a few videos much bigger than anything I've dropped. You see me? So yo, Miguel, drop your thing right here. Squad, check him out. He's a good youth. So yeah, I'm surprised Miguel with a generator. You know, in the hurricane and after the hurricane, he didn't have power for a week or more, and so you know that severely impacted his ability to make a living. All the work he does with me, other people, and so yeah. Let's go. Yes, so I'm here with Chad. Miguel actually works with Chad first and foremost, and then Chad put me on to Miguel.
Yo.
I don't know why I didn't video the hard part, but
You're right.
this, I mean, we all needed the help, so it's not like we had any extra hands to video. But we got this generator. Brother, this thing is so heavy, I hope Miguel have brethren who can help us, cause if
the two of y'all can't do that, so.
If it's me, one and Miguel, we're
Yo, we needed help. It wasn't just the two of us. There was more person.
Yeah.
There was one more person.
He definitely did all the heavy lifting too, to be honest. He's much stronger than us. And Chad's strong. Alright. Hopefully it's good, guys. Like, honestly, worst come to worst, just get and the thought is what counts. So.
Yeah, just give me pieces.
Yeah. Oh boy, I hope you don't move. Alright. Let we go. Alright, squad, so we got the Jenny. We're heading on down now. I'm using the active cruise control in the tank. I'm using adaptive cruise control in the tank, so I set my speed, just goes, and also gas or brake. If I sense a vehicle in front of me, it will begin to brake. I can set the distance, so I got it on the max distance, and I started slowing down quite early. So I put it in the middle right now. I can't have any, I don't want any sudden slowing down with the generator in the back. It's quite heavy, put things in places, stop it really moving around, but you never know. Enough speed, enough weight, something will fucking happen. I don't feel like braking the tank just yet. Let's turn around and see the view. So we're there now. I give out some uniform and backpack and some treats and things as a little gift for the student them. Again, we're up in a rural area. For those of you out of Jamaica, there's a little difference, you see me? You have ghetto, but it's not ghetto, it's a country. And we try to help everywhere in Jamaica, not just one area, because everybody need help. All I need help sometimes, guys. If you want to help me, subscribe, share the channel, share the video them, you see me? But yo, Miguel a clean heart. Man went down to Falmouth today, bought ice cream, some snacks.
So squad, James actually retired for the rest of the month. So for the next video, we're actually going to build a new school on the moon.
Whoa.
Yeah, tell them.
So we're going to build one school on the moon.
Yeah man, people just donate.
On the moon?
Yeah.
Huh?
Backpacks. I got khaki. Good to go. Yeah, this is the Top Lodge editor. That's not his biggest thing, because the man deal with bigger channels than mine, but that's why I rate him the most.
Yeah, man, yeah. Today, we're giving out back to school things to 20 school kids.
Tell you something. Miguel called me one day and said, yo, I love seeing people give back and I want to get into giving back. And the first thing that comes to mind, I want to help out the kids down at the school next to my yard. We got some car keys, we got some bags. Miguel went and bought some books, got some treats for the kids, you see me? So, I want love and let's build back Jamaica together, you see me?
So now we are getting to work and you guys can contribute as well. If you want to contribute in any way, you can reach out to us and see what we can.
Big up to the cameraman and enough respect for filming and taking time out of the day. See everybody here coming together. Man behind the camera took the day off of work or he got fired, he not really tell us. But him there I help out, you see me? So that's all we care about. Big up. I want a small thank you. And some books.
Yeah, put the book in your bag. Come Nathan.
Don't worry about it. Alright, side.
I wouldn't hear me wake up.
This is it, size 8.
That one.
Alright, everyone want ice cream? Alright, come, let's make a line and the little kids first.
You're welcome. You want one big one?
Come on, by the bridge.
Yeah, go licky. No, I'm not licky.
Alright, see whatever you want. It's the second round.
Today has been amazing, seeing that we can help out some of these school kids with the next school year. Like I said earlier, if you want to contribute, you can let us know in the comments, or you can even DM us.
Yo, guys, big up for the support, really appreciate it. This is the things we like to do, we like to give back and helping out Miguel's community is an amazing feeling. So we'll definitely be back next year bigger and better. And